guys, it's Peppa Pig here, and I'm here with all my friends. We're having so much fun. Come and have a look. Hello? Guys? Where have all my friends gone? Can you see them? I can't either. Let's have a look at all these colours to see if we can find them. This is the colour blue. Can you say it with me? Blue. Wow, great job. Blue begins with the letter B. Here is the colour brown. Can you say brown with me? Brown. Great job. Brown begins with the letter B too. Here is the colour purple. Purple. Can you say it with me? Purple. Great job. Purple begins with the letter P. Let's say the magic words Kiddy Zap to see if any of our friends can come back. Kiddy Zap. Wow, we found some of our friends. Let's learn some more colours so we can find more friends.
Yay!
This is the colour green. Can you say it with me? Green. Great job. The colour green begins with the letter G. Here we have the colour purple again, but this time it's a bit different. This is a darker purple. Can you say it with me? Purple. Wow, we're good at that one. Well done. This is the colour pink. Pink begins with the letter P. Can you say it with me? Pink. Wow, that's super. Here we have another type of blue. This blue is a light blue. Can you say it with me? Blue. Well done. Let's say the magic words again to get some more friends back. Kiddy Zap. Wow, we've got so many of our friends back. Let's learn the last 3 colours to find them all.
Yay!
This is the colour yellow. Yellow begins with the letter Y. Can you say it with me? Yellow. Well done. Here's the colour red. Red is my favourite because it's the colour of my dress. Can you say it with me? Red. Well done! Here is the colour turquoise. Turquoise begins with T. Can you say it with me? Turquoise. Great job! Let's say the spell one last time to find the rest of our friends. 3, 2, 1, kiddies up! But who are we missing now? Look, there's one space free. Oh yes, that's for me. By learning some colours, you've helped me to find our friends. As you can see, we've got everyone here, and everyone here. Thank you.